Maximus Analysis here for November 25th, right before the close, and it was a very choppy day. Expected choppy day. Sometimes you get some action, but before a holiday, don't know what's going to happen. So again, it was really choppy. Do look at this 5 minute, and you could see that this price action has been pretty much sideways, and this is basically around here is the open, so there wasn't really much. Again, you could always say I would have sold here, I would have bought here, you would have sold. No, you wouldn't have. So it was just a choppy day. And again, for the ES, YM, pretty much the same thing. Very, very, very small day. Junior traders on the desk right now. Big traders gone home. Volume to show that. Excuse me. You have the NQ up about 7. Again, hasn't showed the follow through. Again, expected day. I don't know if they're going to gap up or down on Friday. We will see. But again, the markets are closed tomorrow because of the U.S. holiday. You have the IWM. Let's just type that one in there. IWM kind of regaining this 50% mark. Again, low volume, but it continues. So we're expecting these higher lows. Again, out of the indexes, this one is probably the weakest, but it could definitely go up there and touch that 120.70 area at least. So we'll see how that one continues. We have crude that was just pretty much sideways for a majority of the day. Again, you had the EIA report. It did move, but again, I'm looking more for a swing trade. And on the hourly, again, it's just something I prefer to get. I prefer to get some type of better swing. So the reason why is because if you look here, again, you have the higher low here, which is good. I just want them to clear all this stuff. I want them either they're going to pop up, clear this 43.50 area, or they're going to head back below. But we'll kind of see where it heads from there. So again, a lot of the names really didn't do much. Apple actually, excuse me, choppy day, choppy couple days actually. So you had pretty much bipolar action. Sell, gap up, gap down, close up, gap up, close down. So again, we'll look at the weeklies, and again, this one is incomplete, but you can see that they have a huge bullish day right after a huge bearish day. So they kind of just need to show their hand. You have Baidu was down about $3, but still looks very, very good holding these areas right here. I mean, if it holds this low or even holds these highs, that looks good. But if they hold these lows, it's still a good place to be. Excuse me. You have Amazon continuing higher again, indecision day. Tesla's up huge today, $11. So called things out. And again, this is another one of those weekly candles. I know that it closes on Friday, but you can see that it's just been ping-ponging between these two areas right here sideways, but the higher lows are still in existence that I'm pointing out from here, 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 and here. So until they break below this 200, I would have to still give the bulls control based on where they are within the trend. Now this looks like potentially like a fourth wave choppy and then fifth wave for final high, but I don't know if it's going to get up that high per se. So we'll kind of see where it goes from here, and if they can give a nice little flag for more upsides, they might come and test above this area. You have Google kind of sputtering right now, but again, it's still in a bullish condition. Again, holding these low, this high from the earnings, which just means it's just continuing to look good. You had a lot of high flyers today all over the place. You had Nike continuing up. You have Home Depot continuing up, making a massive run. But then on the other side, you had Boeing kind of giving a sell signal, but still, again, once they hold these lows, I mean, I wouldn't, you could just put something simple like that and say if they break below this low, then you kind of would look at something. But right now, it's just if it tests this area and continues to the upside, you're looking in good shape. IBM, again, flagging a little bit, but again, it's just a quiet session, so don't read into it too much. And we'll see what happens on Monday. I don't really see anything to really, hang your hat on or get too excited about. It's just a sideways thing, and we'll see how it goes. Now, if you're in the weeklies, be careful, because again, it's another day that you won't be able to trade, that they're burning that theta. So hopefully you're in the money. So again, we'll see, and continue. Keep this one short. Have a great holiday, or if not, you're not on holiday, just take the day off and just relax and with your kids and stuff. Take care.